If you're someone who's been eyeing foldables, waiting for Samsung to finally fix the stuff that actually matters like battery life, that annoying crease, and maybe even bringing back the S Pen, 2026 is looking insane for the Galaxy Z Fold 8. Samsung isn't just updating one phone. They're dropping two different versions, and one is straight up built to take on Apple's first foldable iPhone head-to-head. If you're ready for real upgrades, stay right here because this is the scoop that could change what you carry in your pocket. Let's keep it real and simple. Samsung's been dominating foldables, making them slimmer and tougher every year. For 2026, the main Galaxy Z Fold 8 Model SM F976 launches around July, keeping that classic tall, thin design, super portable, light, and pocket-friendly. It's the evolution of what we love. But the exciting part? There's a whole new wide-fold Model SM F971 coming later in the year, probably fall, with a shorter, wider passport-style body. Tipster Universe Ice just shared fresh mock-ups, and it looks so much more natural when closed. No more awkward tall remote vibe. Punch-hole camera on the cover, sharp squared-off corners for that pro feel, and the sizes match Apple's rumored iPhone Fold almost perfectly. 5.4-inch outer opening to about 7.6 inches inside, versus Apple's 5.4 to 5.5 outer and 7.6 to 7.8 inner. Both chasing that comfy 4-3 wide layout for better videos, multitasking, and real productivity. Samsung goes boxy and serious. Apple's softer and rounded. Who do you think wins the looks? Hit the comments. Okay, here's the big moment. Brace yourself. Samsung is bringing back the S Pen, but they're doing it smart. They dropped it on the Z Fold 7 to stay ultra thin, and yeah, that disappointed a ton of people. The regular Z Fold 8 keeps the slim profile without it. But the wide fold, it's the productivity champ, getting the digitizer layer first so you can sketch, take notes, edit, whatever, on a screen that actually feels like a mini tablet. Rumors say they might even refine it with new tech to avoid extra bulk. Apple's iPhone Fold, no solid word on stylus support yet, and it might end up thicker anyway. Samsung could straight up outdo them here. That's the kind of edge that hurts the competition, and the fixes we've all been begging for? Massive. Battery jumps over 5,000 milliamp hours on the main model, finally ditching the 4,400 milliamp hour struggle, with faster 45W wired charging and possibly 25W wireless. The first big wireless boost in years for a Fold. Cameras level up, 50MP ultra-wide on both versions, way sharper than the old 12MP. Telephoto to 12MP, 200MP, mainstays top tier. The crease? Samsung's pushing new laser tech and hinges to make it nearly invisible. Durability, smoother folding, all-day real use. This feels like the year they listen. So there you have it. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 lineup is splitting into two worlds. One ultra slim for everyday, one wide and powerful for real work. Samsung's not just keeping up, they're setting the stage. But honestly, the real question is, what do you think happens next? Will the wide fold with S Pen steal the show? Or will the slim classic still win your heart? Drop your pick in the comments. Give us a like if it got you hyped for 2026. Subscribe for more and stick around. More leaks are coming soon.